I used to stay up all night trying to find my place, chasing neon lights and looking for some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness. Give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way. Then you came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know we're gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know we're gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. When we touch is when I really come alive.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelles Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to share a DIY glam engagement ring centerpiece. I was inspired by this beautiful photo that Paris Hilton shared on her Instagram page, and I thought I'd give it a DIY Chelles touch. I hope you enjoy. So using some dollar store items, I'm going to show you an inexpensive way on how to make an engagement ring centerpiece. I started with this round foam as well as this packet of square foam. So to start with, I'm going to take a packet of toothpicks. I'm going to take one toothpick and I'm going to place it to the top of the ring, and then I'm going to place on top the square piece of foam. I'm then going to take a round Chanel logo that I printed out from Google, and I'm going to hot glue that to the center of the square foam. I then shop my own home, guys, and I have quite a collection of dollar store flowers that I love doing DIYs with. Now what I'm going to do here is I don't have a particular style in mind. I just like to play around with the flowers that I have and go with what I feel. Now what I'm doing here is just hot gluing the flowers to the foam. Now what I recommend, guys, is you want to go with a lot of fullness. So I just played around with all different shapes and sizes of the flowers. Now you're going to continue to add as many flowers as you can until the entire ring is full.
Told you I'm not yours, so why are you trying to hold on? I think that you should let go, 'cause you know this is not meant to be let go. Maybe I should have known that you are not the right one for me. Let go. I think that you should let go, 'cause you know this is not meant to be let go.
Now once the entire ring was covered, we're then going to add flowers to the top square piece of foam. Now it was easy for me here, guys, to remove that from the toothpicks while I added some flowers. Now I'm using some small eBay flowers that are just foam flowers that I picked up, and these are perfect for the top of the ring. Now you can also pick up these flowers from local dollar stores as well. I've seen them in there too. Now I hot glued that all around the top of the square foam. Now I I also had one of those glam glitter brooches that I use in all of my DIYs. They're actually from Spotlight, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to hot glue that to the top of those flowers. I then added the toothpicks back into the top of the ring. Now I wanted something to stand my pretty ring on, and I picked up this beautiful vase which is from TK Maxx a few weeks ago. It is absolutely glam and stunning, and it was just $20, guys. I knew it would be perfect to add the ring inside. Now what I did is I took 2 more pieces of that square foam, and I took some more toothpicks and placed them together. And what I'm going to do is just place the ring inside the toothpicks. Now you can feel free to use any style of base for your ring. Paris Hilton's picture used a oblong style box to add the ring in top. I chose to use this very glam vase because I thought it would be the perfect table centerpiece. Now at the base, using some more dollar store flowers, what I did is I just filled up the bowl either side. Now you can choose to put floral foam in and then place the flowers in that way if you like, but I just chose to place them inside. And here is my glam Chanel inspired engagement ring centerpiece. I'm so happy with how this came. Guys, I always love to share inexpensive ways for you to decorate, and here is a prime example of that. I took dollar store items and created this beautiful table centerpiece. This would be perfect for a bridal shower, an engagement party, or a kitchen tea, or it can also be used for Valentine's Day. The possibilities are endless, and it's entirely up to you. If you're new to my channel, I'd love to welcome you here. My name's Michelle, but most people call me Chelle, and I'm the Australian YouTuber who created Chellesglamhome. I love to share DIY projects, inspirational ideas, and room tours of my home. I love decorating, guys. It's my absolute passion, and I love sharing ideas with you. I'd love, guys, if you would give me a big thumbs up. It truly helps the channel. Share the video as many times as you can. But most of all, I'd truly love for you to hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of Chellesglamhome family. Don't forget guys, you can also follow me over on Instagram. I'm at Chellesglamhome too, and I post daily inspiration with decorating my home glam. So thank you so much for watching guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope I've inspired you when it comes to doing a DIY, a glam engagement ring centerpiece. Guys, don't forget we're so close to 30,000 subscribers. Share the video as many times as you can so we can reach the 30,000 subscribers and I can announce a wonderful giveaway for you all. So until next time, my friends, I hope you're having a wonderful day and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.